Hello, good feeling. Hello, good feeling.
What's up guys, you're back with One Life for another tutorial, and we've got a new car today, the Seat Leon. I've done a review on this car, so check out the links at the end of this video for the Seat Leon review. It's a 2014 model, Mark 7 if you like, and we're going to show you some basic tutorials over the next few weeks on how to do things like oil filter change, air filter, spark plugs, things like that. This is a diesel on this one, so I'll try and get a petrol to do a spark plug change. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change the air filter. It's a dead simple job, but a lot of people are put off because the cars have a plastic cover over all the engine bay and the components, so people aren't sure what to do or where to start. Most of the time it is just a plastic cover covering all your familiar parts like your airbox housing and your spark plugs, things like that. So today's video, I'll show you how to do the air filter and replace it with a new one, which is a dead common service part. It's something that a lot of people would take the car to a dealership for, and it's unnecessary. You don't need to. You can do it in your driveway or your garage in no time. So first things first, I'm going to show you how to pop the bonnet open, which is underneath the passenger glove box, and then we'll crack on from there. Right, so this is the bonnet release catch, just underneath the glove box area. Find the catch under the bonnet, lift it up, get that in. Right, this here is your air filter housing. So to get this off, we're going to need to undo a few bolts round here. Now these are little Torx bolts. You can get a Torx set quite cheaply from your local Alfred or something if you've not already got one. And there's quite a few, but it's just a case of undoing all them. And you see here where the MAF sensor housing goes into the back of the airbox, there's a couple of screws there which will be a bit fiddly to get to, the one underneath. But we'll get them out first with a Torx bolt and a little ratchet, or a Torx bolt and a screwdriver head, whatever. They won't be that tight. Right, so I've got my Torx bolt and a little screwdriver to do it with. Like I say, they're not that tight, you don't really need a ratchet. Start undoing. Right guys, so we've got the airbox unbolted, as you can see. And it's just a case of lifting it up. You don't need to undo the coupling to the MAF sensor housing. You can just pull it up like that and literally pull the air filter out. Right, now I'm just doing this to show you guys how to do it. This car, it could probably do with a new one, but it's not too bad. It's a little bit dirty. So at this point, if you were changing it, you'd get your new one out of the box and make sure it's that way up with the rubber side at the top, and you'd simply clean out any debris inside here, get a little brush or your hoover, get rid of all that rubbish and put this back in. Make sure it's sat in properly and the rubber's in the hole, and place your lid back into place and tighten it back up. So all said and done, the airbox cover's back on, bolted back up, bonnet shut, and that's a job done. only took about 10 minutes to do, and I only needed one tool to do it with, just the Torx bit and a little screwdriver holder for the bit. Dead easy job. I hope you found this useful, and if you want to see any other tutorials, or you want to know anything at all about this car or any other car for that matter, let me know and I'll try and do videos where I can, or at the very least I'll let you know in the comments what I know. Guys, my name's Sam Clark, you're watching One Life. This is another tutorial. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.
Hello, good feeling. Hello, good